Hello YouTube and welcome to my unboxing video of the Tascam US 16x8. Let's get into it. Okay, so first off, I'm just going to explain a little bit about the Tascam 16x8. It is a USB MIDI recorder. Now what that means is I can plug all my microphones from my kit straight into it and then record directly to my Mac. It's going to give me separate lines for each individual mic I've got, which gives me a lot more control over my editing, how I'd like my drums to sound, different effects, things like whether I want it to sound like I'm in a church, in a big hall, live venue, studio venue. So that's the main reason why it's a good thing to have. It gives you a lot more control. So you haven't just got stereo left and right. You can dive a lot deeper into it. This isn't my first USB recorder. I do have the Tascam US 1800. The reason for the upgrade is basically with the launch Catalunya from Apple, they've moved to a 64-bit system. And the Tascam that I have is a 32, so it's no longer recognised by the Mac. And Tascam themselves have said they're no longer going to support it. So basically forcing me to spend this extra bit of money. It's cost me £219. Amazon have it up for around £270. I'll put a link down below for the music site that I got it from. Very quick delivery, straight to the front door, no problems at all, well packaged, as you'll see in the video. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay then, so this is the box. Nice graphics on the front, nice and sturdy. Carry handle on the top, makes it easy to move around. On the back, diagram of the front and the rear of the device, as well as a bit of information. It's called the US 16x8 because you've got 8 SLR inputs in the front and 16 variable inputs on the back. Normally, a lot of them are just direct jack inputs, and then you've got your left and right out. So, let's open it up. You have to excuse my table. It is just a chair. I will try to get something better for the future. So inside, it's all well nicely packaged. We have the instruction manual, goes with all these kinds of things, quite detailed, quite thick. We have 2 brackets. So these are in case you want to mount it to an existing mount, so you can have like them all stacked in a shelf, so to speak. So the mounts for that. We also have a power lead. Oh no, this is the USB adapter to plug it straight into the back of the computer, which goes into the back of the system as well, connecting them up. We have an English power block, the English plugs. Looks quite a decent bit of length on there. And we also have a phone adapter. Okay, taking it out. So nicely packaged, close up. Oh, there's something else as well. The screws to hold the brackets in place and to, I suppose, screw into the whatever else you're using to hold it. So Allen key in there as well, Allen key screws. Okay, so inside, try to drop it, I won't balance it. So inside, said 2 pieces of polystyrene, keep it nice and safe, wrapped in plastic, and get it out. Throw all the rubbish down there, just sort it out later. So there we go. Show you the front, that might help. It's got a nice angle on it, in case you're just using it on a desk or table or some plastic boxes like I'm doing at the moment. Got your power button on this side and your mic selections. I believe it is phantom powered as well, so you can use phantom powered mics on here. You've got your 8 SLR inputs, and these are your independent volume controls. So when you're setting it up within your music software, you can actually change on the go how much, if you want it to have like an extra bit of snare or a bit of bass or whatever like that. On the back, just got a few more, got your power connection cable, a load of jack inputs, do various different things, different line ins, 2 line outs, and your USB connection on the side. So So there it is from the top and the back. Okay, so I'll be using this in my next video. I'll give it a little shout out and let you know how well I get on with it. If you like the review, please comment down below and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.